Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to create a project and explain the main features available in the Setup Project section. You can create a project or a folder that is a container that contains projects or even other subfolders. If you created a folder, a project or another folder must be created and then moved to the desired folder. A project can be shared with other individual users or with a team. Each user involved will find the project on their homepage and can use it to control and configure the system, depending on whether their account profile is user or administrator. A project can be marked as a favorite. This means that every time you access the application, the command section of that project will open automatically. This is useful when you frequently access the application to manually manage the same system, for example, when you are the end user yourself. When you access a project for the first time, the command section will be empty, as light groups and their commands have not yet been created. To do so, you need to access the Setup section, composed of 5 subsections, navigable via the bottom menu. The Devices section is dedicated to scan the radio network, add the wireless nodes, configure and control them. The Zones section is dedicated to grouping devices to allow them to work together, like as a light group in a cell office or in a warehouse aisle. After that, you can set their working mode, for example, to enable automation via motion and light sensors. The Scenes section is dedicated to the implementation of static scenes, defining level, temperature, and RGB color of each lighting point. This involves all lighting fixtures, the wireless ones, and also the DALI ones connected to wireless DALI devices. The Macros section is dedicated to create a series of sequential commands that can be recalled within working modes or in the main commands section. The Keypads section is dedicated to creating virtual keyboards containing individual commands and/or macros that will be displayed in the main command section of the project. Thank you for watching.